Okay, this is my front yard. I feel like it requires some sort of explanation. Okay, the area down here a few years ago was swampy, so I put some dirt in there to fill in holes and stuff. And then to keep it from eroding, I just wanted anything to grow in there. Now stuff is growing. That's not a problem anymore. So now I want to take out all the stuff I don't want and keep all the stuff I do want. Let's start with this side over here. Got some wood drying, some boards I just planed. Anyway, this right here, what is that? Grapefruit tree. I'm pretty sure it's a grapefruit tree. And here we've got banana trees. You can see the bananas. I don't know if you can see them there. Yeah, the banana trees, keeping those. Keep the lemon tree. This is all garbage. Down there is yucca. That's like delicious potatoey stuff.
That's the yucca that I planted.
This is a pineapple plant. There's a bunch of garbage in here we can take out. Right here, this tree is... This is a rose apple tree. We want rose apples, right?
Yeah. We are.
All right, we'll keep that and take out all the stuff around it.
So
This stuff that's all over the place is katuk. It's like spinach. You can eat it. I just ate that one. And dude, you got dirty fingers. You can give yourself worms or something. Dude, no, your hands are really dirty. Okay, I want to keep a bunch of this stuff, but it doesn't have to be everywhere. I'm going to give preference to fruit trees. This tree right here is a monkey tail tree that grows these beans. The beans themselves are kind of not great, but they're surrounded by this white fuzzy stuff. It's also called ice cream bean because that white fuzzy stuff is like ice cream kind of. This right here, yeah, that is a soursop tree, which is trying to survive under this canopy of other stuff. So I want to cut a bunch of this out so it can grow, because soursops are really good. Soursop looks like a kind of like a dragon egg. Not that I've ever seen an actual dragon egg, filled with juicy fruit gum and seeds. That's pretty much what a soursop is, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we got to take out a bunch of this. We have tons of this, so we don't have to worry about taking some out. Oh, and on the katuk, the berries, they taste like peas, like sugar snap peas.
Can I eat one?
Oh, yeah, I can grab her one. Then over here, a bunch of this is garbage, but this is oregano, and there's a bunch growing all down there. I want to keep all that. There's another ice cream bean tree. We'll keep that. This is papaya. Definitely would keep that. It's going to go with this papaya tree, and there's a few other little ones around here. We'll try to keep all those. Mango tree. Definitely keep that.
I found one!
Great. And then, well, that's a coconut tree over there. We can get the vines off it. And more katuk. We'll keep a bunch of this, but get rid of these vines. This is nothing. This looks kind of like potato, but it's not. Oh, I do have some potatoes. Let's check if we have sweet potatoes. Over here, I had some sweet potato. Yeah, that right there, the heart-shaped leaves, that's all sweet potato. So I want to get everything around it kind of removed. This, hold on. Yeah, this is lemongrass, so we can keep that. Okay, back over here. These kids eat the katuk like they're giraffes. They'll just strip whole branches. And anyway, yeah, there's a bunch of junk down here we can take out. But then this, ooh, back up. It's getting pretty big. Avocado tree. I already trimmed it once. I'll trim it. I don't want to get too tall, like so tall that I can't even get the avocados when they start coming. And I have another avocado tree right over, yeah, that one right there. That one also is doing great. I cut the grass over there where I've got some plantains, which are similar to bananas. There's some plantains growing over there, white plantains. Anyway, and then another mango tree right here. And everything else, oh no, there's a few other things. This vine, you guys see that vine, that brown? That is that delicious potato stuff. Oh, what is it? It's the most delicious potato thing. It's kind of slimy, but it's so good. And it's the same thing as those leaves right there. It's got like this, yeah, it's got a vine like this. It's easy to tell.
This one.
Oh, I can't remember what it's called. Why can't I remember what it's called? It's my favorite.
Hey, Jaimie.
What's my favorite thing? It turns into great potato chips, or you can mash it. You can do anything that you can do with a potato with it, but it tastes better.
I don't know.
I'll remember in a minute.
Jaimie.
Anyway, yeah, we want to mow out everything else. What? Wait, what are you saying?
Don't ever cut this tree down because there's a little nest up there.
Oh, yeah. I see it.
And was a bird.
What kind of bird was it?
It looked like a bird that was black with little white stripes on its wings.
Cool, yeah. What are all our tools we've got?
I have a sword.
I have a machete, you have your machete. And then we've got two different kinds of snippers. These ones for like
Grass.
good for grass, and this is good for like cutting branches.
Like
Which one do you want to use first? Let me use, okay, I'm going to use that one first because I'm going to save this soursop tree. I'm going to cut all this stuff out here.
You could just go chop.
Yeah, I'm just going to go chop, right. And now, you guys, you know everything that's food, right?
Yeah.
So go
Not
for
food.
it. Go cut whatever is not food. Go ahead and chop it. No, I'm gonna use this one. Hold on.
Rosie.
I'm gonna wear my boots so I don't have to worry about stepping on anything. I just realized these are beans.
Jaimie.
There's some other bean plants.
They look like the.
Yes, that is the thing, the potato thing.
What's that?
Okay, wait, right here. Okay, see this tree? You guys know this one, right?
Don't cut it.
This is a rambutan, which is like lychee nuts.
Yeah, I love those.
Do you know where the one is right here? This one right here? So don't cut this guy. You can cut everything else.
These are junk. They're definitely
Right there.
junk.
Yeah, that's garbage. Cut it. This is all garbage. Yes, this with the curly vine.
I like
This
the vine.
is good. We want that.
The vine
It makes,
the vine is a pretty vine.
yeah.
What
And these two,
is this?
wait, you know these are pineapples, right?
Yep.
That's nothing. You can kill that.
Done.
Don't hit this vine though.
I didn't. This looks like garbage.
Yeah, that's garbage. Cut it. All right, you guys, don't cut anything good. I'm gonna take care of this sour slop tree. I can get some of this garbage out of here too.
Give me that right now. I can't use
It
anything.
should not be out here.
Hey, give it to me.
What? Where are we gonna put all the stuff we cut off? We should find a spot and pile it up. Let it all compost.
Hey, Jaimie, we have some little plant growing in our thing.
Which thing?
This thing.
You mean the watermelon patch?
Yeah. It's some little thing with a little watermelon seed.
Wait, oh! If it has a watermelon seed on it, that's a watermelon plant growing.
It looks like it is.
Does it have a watermelon seed on it?
It has like a little thing that looks like a watermelon seed.
That's a watermelon plant. Leave it.
That is great.
That is great. All right,
That is so good.
where the flurp and derps can I put this stuff?
Jaimie, what's this vine? What's this vine?
Make a pile over there.
What vine?
No, the other potato thing, the thing with the curly vine, is called nyam pea. Yeah, plant it. This kachuk stuff is getting out of control. It's like a tree now. I don't want to hack it with a machete because I found a couple more citrus trees. One right here. Be careful not to kill any good stuff. I found this a little while ago, just caked with rust. Got the rust off it. It's in pretty good shape. Oh man, how am I gonna get? I gotta take out that whole thing, don't I?
Yep. Yeah.
It's on. Alright. Alright, the katuk from the smaller plants is way more delicious anyway. This part I could do with my machete. You want to pass me a machete?
don't think so.
You think I should just use a saw?
Mm-hmm.
Fine. No, give me a machete. Can you throw this to the pile?
Mm-hmm. I think, yep. I see the little tree right there. I see the little tree right there.
All right.
Don't kill the little tree.
Throw to the pile.
Uh-huh. Yep.
All right, watch your heads.
Yay! You actually got it.
Oh, little soursop's getting some sun. That's great. And then I think this might be a grapefruit tree, same as that one over there. This, I think, is an orange. I don't know if those will be able to stay there. Maybe I'll dig one up and find a better home for it. But I'm gonna let them just chill out in the sun now that they finally have some sun for, I don't know, a few days or something. What is this? This is garbage. Oh, we're getting rid of that piece of... I don't want to hurt that guy. I want to take this sucker out by the roots if possible. Hiya!
And you can also cook a fish with gasoline. But it might get burnt. Do you think you can light water on fire with gasoline?
Whoa! I can actually see my banana trees again from here. That is crazy. Well, I gotta trim off some of those dead leaves. All right, I had a bunch up there, but this tree is looking mighty big. That has got to be giving me bananas soon. Now, what do I do down there? You know what? I kind of want to make like a rolling thing. Sort of like a lawnmower, except it's a roller with a whole bunch of spikes that I can just like run over all that, just chew up all the grassy stuff and mulch it all up, and then plant like what I actually want to be there. All right, oh, I gotta move these boat molds too. All right, we'll worry about that later. I wonder if I tell my kids that they're in charge of the front yard, it's like theirs. Maybe instead of like accidentally kicking things off the, the concrete up here and like ending up with a bunch of garbage down there, maybe they'll do the opposite and they'll take care of it. We found a big yucca. Maybe I'll have that for dinner. Yeah, this is starting to look a little more reasonable down here. I think you guys might need to do something about this mud you got all over the place.
Oh.
I think it's great you were cleaning those up, but... What? Yeah, take it to the beach. I'll go with you when we go swimming.
Okay, what are you doing that?
Give me like 10 more minutes of doing this.
Okay, we'll just leave it here until we go through. I'll hold this on my hand when I swim. Okay, just go ahead.
You know, it's pretty flat down here. If we get this under control, we could use the push mower down here.
What?
Ah, nothing.
The push mower?
Yeah, you have that thing in that box under the stairs.
Oh, the lawnmower.
Yeah, the lawnmower.
Not the push mower.
Okay, whatever. You know, you do push it.
Oh.
That's how it's powered. You push it. It doesn't have a motor in it.
We're gonna use this sponge block. No, we can use sand. You can pick up sand, put it on, put your hand on it. Hey, Jaimie, is that? Are those boards still in the water?
Or what?
Are the boards that you put in the water at the beach still in there?
Well, there.
Why did you need it for so long?
want to make sure the termites are killed.
Oh. So maybe there's some that can hold the grass for more.
Oops.
Oh. Don't hit that guy.
That can be a little short, don't you?
Go bigger.
Alright, I want to build like a roller thing with spikes that we can just chew everything up in zones like this where it's just like all weeds.
This is a good spot. No, not walk yet. Oh. Put your hand inside.
Hey, now the running trail goes there and you can go right through here. Oh yeah, let's go swim and then we can make dinner. Here's the little watermelon patch. Oh, look at that guy right there. And there's one right there.